Imagine living in a boutique Mooresville community with 57 home sites surrounded by tree-lined views. Now here you'll enjoy a pickleball court, walking trails, and smart home technology, all just minutes from schools, Publix, and downtown Mooresville. Welcome to Brantley by DR Horton. You have your choice of 5 two-story floor plans. Sizes range from around 2,500 to 3,100 square feet. Many of the lots at Brantley back to trees for added privacy, and several of the sites will offer a finished basement. Amenities include a pickleball court and walking trails, keeping the HOA low at $200 per quarter. Home prices run from the upper 400,000s to the upper 600,000s. Now, DR Horton may offer lower pricing at times on completed inventory homes. Their on-site model is called the Fleetwood. Now it has 5 bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms, checks in at 2,550 square feet, and is priced at $535,000. So let's see what you get for your money. Great location for Brantley by DR Horton, just a few minute ride into downtown Mooresville. Your nearest hospital is 10 minutes away, the Duke Health Lake Norman Hospital. Just 10 minutes away, here's Lake Norman. Davidson is a beautiful downtown area here, great for dining. You could dine at some waterfront restaurants. That's about a 15-minute ride. And further south, if you want to go into a NASCAR country, check out a race in Concord. That's just 30 minutes away. And into uptown Charlotte, the total drive time from Brantley, about 40 minutes. So what do you think of Brantley? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments section. And if you've enjoyed this tour, please like it, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss my next new construction tour. And when you're ready to explore homes in the area, I'm always just a phone call away at 704-582-1314. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Remember, the person that works in the model home represents the builder, not you. That's where I come in. I'm here to help you and look out for your best interests.